Me personally, when I think about self-esteem, I've got it, and I still have it now. But the thing confuses my mind sometimes. I'm afraid to talk in front of the camera like this. I'm really afraid because it is not my habit. And I see hundreds of millions and billions of people still afraid of that. But they have something good inside of them to serve with the million and billion of people. As what I've said before, that you have to help people before you get rich. Now I'm on my way I'm rich now. I'm rich spiritually, emotionally, mentally, I'm rich. But sooner, I'll be rich physically. Sooner. Just when, And the thing which I'm working now is talking as the same as when I am on the TikTok. Because on TikTok, when I talk to somebody, I have high energy, I can motivate them, I can make them laugh a lot, I'm really inspired of them. I'm really inspired of me when I think about that time. But to explain something in front of the camera like this, I got shocked sometimes. Because as you say that, sometimes I think about that on the camera. That's why I'm afraid. What I can say. I think about it and I stop. But I invite you guys, you're watching this video now, if you want to increase your self-esteem, don't think about the camera in front of you. Think about you talking with somebody as you give advice. Because we need a solution, we need help. That's why we are online. We search online because of problem and we need solution. We need solution to resolve our solution. That's why we are online. And everybody can help. Everybody can help. Child, young, teenager, adult, everybody can help. That's the key. If you want to be rich, more people. The best strategy is now, like you record yourself. Have a self-confidence. Help them. I start from out there. I think that I'm not really perfect on it, but I am. Because you know what? I keep doing it. I work for all of that. Because I train. I take it as an habit. Human being can choose good or bad habits. To be on the camera, it is habits. You see that? To speak in the camera is habits. I do it with my name, and I see everybody can do it, not only me. Everybody, even you and even you. Because as what I said, that I have high self-esteem not on the camera. And I feel now I'm on my way. Once I get on the top, I'm the best. I'm the best. See? I'm the best now. Because I think that I'm the best. That's why we need self-esteem. Self-esteem. Could imagine, I've made a video online on YouTube like this. I made a video about meditation. Because meditation is the fastest way to get what you want. Fastest way. Meditation. Could imagine that physically that I'm here, I'm teaching you about meditation in front of this camera right here. And let's practice meditation. Where? Just practice it. You follow me. Even you watch me, you follow me. Meditation. If you want to speak English very well, as a habit, every day, you have to practice in the morning and at evening. Because in the morning and at evening, it is the best time. As what I explained to you. And on that time, you focus on you. Focus on you. Think about you. And you meditate. Such as, let's practice. We are not here in Madagascar. But we are here in Madagascar. But we think that we are not here in Madagascar because we speak English. And let's meditate each other. Our meditation today is like we can speak till the end of this course. Okay? No Madagascar language. It's just meditation and we feel it. That's the key. Feel as we finished 1 hour, 30 minutes, no speaking Madagascar language. Just, you look at me. You both look at me and I demonstrate to you like this to meditate. Like in the church. There is a spiritual father. You focus like this. You focus like this. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Breathe. You focus on breathing. Here. Inhale. 5 times. Feel it. Feel it. That's why the way or meditate. If you want to master English fast, then you breathe in and exhale. In and exhale. You slow down your mind. That's the meditation. That's the focus. You slow down your mind. Slow down. Relax, like there is a spiritual father in the church. You focus on listening, but you focus on one thing. Such now, we focus on English language. Speak English language in 1 hour, 30 minutes. Just we focus and we feel it. No effort. No effort. Once you finish, inhale and exhale in 5 times, you relax. Like that. Finished. How do you feel? If you feel unsatisfied, you do it again. You can do it even one day. It's up to you. Just think it. As what I've said, that once you do something through a repetition, your subconscious mind attracts it. If you cannot do it, your subconscious mind attracts it. Because the thing which you are imagine that dominate your mind. And in your mind, there's 2 parts of your mind. There's subconscious mind and conscious mind. On the subconscious mind, 95. The conscious mind, 5%. Subconscious, 95. If you do something through repetition like this, you become aware and your subconscious mind attracted because your mind chooses your imagination. And your mind cannot separate imagination and reality. That's the easiest way to speak English, to master about English language, as we make meditation. And it is the easiest way to have a self-esteem. Before you go jump on the floor to explain something, if you're a singer, before you go to sing in front of a lot of people, Thanks for watching, thanks for following. If you need more information about self-development like that and the easiest way to attract or to manifest even money, house, car, there's a link below, the Genie Script. You can manifest whatever you want, easily and effortlessly. Because then I use it